Recording Muncul nggak?
Muncul.
Ya udah dimulai ya.
Ya.
Moderatornya siapa?
Saya moderator.
Oh ya udah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 1. We will presentation about qualitative versus quantitative research. Next. Nanti selanjutnya. For the content is first definition of qualitative and quantitative research. Second, characteristic qualitative and quantitative research. Third, research problem. 4. Differences between qualitative and quantitative research. Quantitative research. Qualitative research is a research method that is more focused on understanding social phenomena from the participant's perspective, with more emphasis on the complete picture rather than breaking down into interrelated variables. Qualitative research is often used as a research on the life of a society. The data generated in qualitative research is descriptive data in the form of written words or speeches of the actors being observed. Quantitative research is an approach for testing objective theories by examining the relationship among variables. It means that quantitative research is a descriptive research method and use more analysis. Quantitative research and to find relationships that explain the causes in measurable social facts, solve variable relationships and analyze. This quantitative research is carried out by collecting data and analysis results to obtain information that must be concluded. The paradigm used in quantitative research is paradigm that comes from the positivism view and also can be seen from the purpose of the study itself. Okay, next will be Helen.
Next is the characteristic of qualitative research. First, Oxford and general collect data by consisting large word or text or image picture, description and analysis of word for them, conduct inquiry in subjective biased manner. The characteristic quantitative research are specific narrow, collect data from participants generally in numerical form, analyze number using statistics, and conduct the inquiry in unbiased, objective manner. Research problem, qualitative research, an exploration in which little is known about the problem, a detailed understanding of a central phenomenon, quantitative research is description of trend or an explanation of variable relationship. The next is difference between qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative design is general, flexible, and balanced. Quantitative design is specific, clear, detailed, and defined clearly from the start and used as a guide step by step. Qualitative goals is gaining an understanding of the meaning of first-hand and develop theory describing complex reality. Quantitative goals is solve the relationship between variable and test the theory and looking for generalization that have predictive value.
Okay, the next is qualitative research technique. The first is observation, participant observation, and open interview. Then the quantitative research techniques are experiment, observation, structure survey, and structure interview. Then the instrument of the qualitative research are human instrument, notebook, and recording. And quantitative research instruments are interview, test, questionnaire, scale, interview, computers, and calculators. Next. Okay, we move to qualitative data is descriptive or personal documents, result of field notes, statements, or opinions of respondents, document. And then from quantitative data are quantitative in the form of numbers. The main instruments results are based on the operationalized variables using the instrument. Then qualitative sample are small, not representative and purposive. Quantitative sample big, representative, as random as possible. Next. Qualitative analysis. Sustainable from the beginning to the end of the research. Inductive, looking for patterns, models, and themes. And then qualitative analysis. At the final stage after data collection is complete. Deductive and using statistics. Then relationship with respondent in qualitative research are empathy and familiar, equal status, equal long-term. But the relationship with respondent in quantitative research are distant, often without direct contact, long-term relationship between researcher and subject. Okay, the last is design proposal qualitative or short little literature, general approach, suspectedly relevant issues, no hypothesis, and the research focus is written to obtain data collected in the field. And for the design proposal, for quantitative research as spacious and detailed, many search related to the problem, specific and detailed, procedure every step of the way, problems are outlined and aim at a specific focus. The hypothesis is formulated clearly and in detail and completely before going into the field.
Okay, any question? Please turn on your mic.
Mau nanya.
Okay, Gita, what is your question?
So, what is the reason of using quantitative research?
Okay, any other?
Indah mau nanya,
Any Rita?
are the aims and benefit of qualitative research?
Okay. Any other? Again? Any other question?
Aku Indah mau nanya.
Okay, Resti.
What is an example of a qualitative study?
Sorry, can you repeat?
What is an example of a qualitative study?
Okay. Okay. Time for answer the question.
Mana nih kok diem-diem baik? Halo,
Halo.
halo, halo.
Yes,
Halo.
sir.
Hah? Kok diem-diem aja?
Ini mau dijawab pertanyaannya.
Hah?
Ini mau dijawab.
Ini mau bicara. Udah siap belum? Kalau belum siap, ganti lagi harinya.
Ini lagi mau ngejawab pertanyaan, Sir.
Oh, lagi mau jawab pertanyaan. Apa
Iya,
pertanyaannya? Kok cuma 23 orang yang masuk? Sisanya kemana?
Tadi masuk semua, sir, terus kayak keluar masuk itu.
Waduh, emang ngeri juga ya keluar masuk, keluar masuk. Kalau masuk kan ke dalam, kalau keluar kemana? Nah,
Sir mau jawab pertanyaan ya.
ya pertanyaannya apa?
Pertanyaan dari Resti, what is an example of a qualitative research?
Ya, silakan.
A good example of a qualitative research method would be unstructured interview which generate qualitative data through the use of open question. This allows the respondent to talk in some depth, using their own words, and photograph, video, sound recording, and so on can be considered qualitative data.
Oh, foto ngomong opo gitu. Ya, Len, ngomong apa kamu, Lena? Orang
Ya kan?
contoh penelitian kualitatif kok.
Ya.
Jawabannya kayak buku. Kalau nggak paham bahasa Inggris, nggak apa-apa pakai bahasa Indonesia. Ya kan? Masalahnya kalau bahasa Inggrismu bagus, kasihan yang nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, ya nggak? Jadi fair-fairnya enaknya kita meningkatkan kemampuan kognitif saja. Ya. Jangan jangan sampai kita dapat 2 masalah. Tahu nggak apa itu masalahnya? Yang pertama permasalahan bahasa, yang kedua permasalahan kognitif. Nah, itu susah itu nanti menghadapinya. Udah nggak bisa kognisinya nggak mampu, bahasanya juga nggak mampu. Mendingan salah satu aja jadi masalah, yaitu masalah kognisi. Masalah kognisi itu yang perlu kita jembatan dulu saat ini. Jadi bahasa, pakai bahasa yang dimengerti. Ya kan? Karena kalau bahasa nggak ngerti, ya orang yang niatnya baik, kalau bahasa penyampaiannya buruk, bakal jadi guru. Gitu. Ya, penelitian kualitatif tadi itu yang apa itu? Kualitatif itu apa sih? Mana grupnya Helen tadi? Apa itu penelitian kualitatif? Skuy. Pakai logika yang simpel aja yang kamu ngerti. Nggak usah textbook. Apa itu penelitian kualitatif? Kenapa dia bertolak belakang dan kuantitatif? Makanya saya tulis kuantitatif versus kualitatif. Karena kuantitatif dan kualitatif itu sangat bertolak belakang ya. Bagaikan hitam dan putih, bagaikan kamu dan aku lah. Yang tidak mungkin bersatu. Ini denger nggak nih? Sedih ya? Frustasi saya ngajar online ini. Nggak bisa ngeliat ekspresi. Nggak bisa langsung ke depannya. Nggak bisa nunjuk ke depan. Aduh, sedih. Pada mati semua kameranya. Neprita, sok pis-pis juga dia. Tuh, iya kan? Mana nih suaranya nih, presenter? Nah, inilah rasanya diberikan harapan palsu. Kayak gini ya rasanya, suka sama orang tapi nggak dibales rasanya. Sedih. Kayak suka sama Shin Min Ah, Shin Min Ah-nya suka sama Kim Woo Bin. Berondong lagi. Mana nih? Kan kita diskusi. Bukan saya sendirian ngomong. Coba, mana Helen? Siapa aja grup satu nih? Helen,
Febri, Indah,
Febri,
dan Indah,
Indah, siapa lagi?
sama Aldi.
Nah, Aldi. Hah? Siapa Aldi?
Aldi, sir.
Oh, Aldi. Kok cuman Hafid aja yang ada di sini cowoknya? Aldi Sitnan.
Yes, yes.
Iya,
Yeah.
Aldi Wafa. Namamu lucu juga. Wafa.
Maaf sih,
Oke.
habis ini mau mati.
Jawab.